Yeah.
How do you know?
It is. I know it is. It's taping right now.
Madeline, you have to move that onto video.
What?
1.1. Here
What?
we go.
What onto video? It's on video. It's saying. That was pretty cool.
Look how far it went.
Yeah, you can feel it.
Not that big. Oh my goodness. I think it's bird. Oh, that bird. Yeah. I think you take a little practice. Yeah.
It blew off the thing there.
Well, it's definitely cooked. It's definitely cooked. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's definitely cooked. I think I missed the big explosion.
I think I jumped a lot actually.
Yeah, hit me in the shin.
Oh jeez.
Oh yeah, I just started it right after the explosion.
Please.
How did you miss it?
I have no idea.
Yeah, I think you had the fire too hot.
No, I think. Well, it took too long for sure, but I think what we've got is no moisture in the grain.
Oh.
The big dog out there licking it up.
Okay, I'm gonna end this now.
This